the superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha, who will be in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau till the 7th of this month. They've been sent to NCB custody as per a court order. He will remain in custody till then. Joining us now for the very latest on this, my colleague Rohit Khilani. On what grounds has the court ruled that they need to be in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau till Thursday?
Vishnu, the judge was convinced by NCB's arguments, and they said that they need more time with them. They also need to investigate whether there's any connection. They need to interrogate them. There could be more contacts, because they said in the past we have interrogated people and there's been a commercial angle that they unearthed last time. So they said if given time, they see merit in this case. They had asked for time for time till 11th, till the 10th of October, but they've been given time till the 7th. So Aryan Khan has expressed, as a family and his friends and well-wishers were expecting will walk out today on bail. That did not happen. 3 more days with the NCB for Aryan Khan and 2 others.
Just trying to understand, was there a blood test which proved that there were, that there was some substance in the blood of Aryan Khan and the others? Has that been established?
No, that's not what, going by what Mr. Manas Shinde was arguing in the court. They said they have not recovered anything from him. Also there were a lot of other angles that Mr. Manas Shinde was trying to tap here, saying in the past 48 hours they have not been able to establish anything. Also, why were the other 300 people, if there were 300 people on board, why was everyone, let off, and why were just these people, these people caught, this one group? So that brings us to the question that everybody's asking Vishnu on social media: is he being targeted because he's the son of a big superstar? So that debate will keep going on. On the one side, of course, we know that everybody is same in front of the law, but 3 more days for Aryan Khan with the NCB. Now we'll wait to see whether NCB actually gets what they want. Will they establish a, they also said that, Mr. Manas Shinde said that there's nothing that's come out from the WhatsApp chats. Also, they have some WhatsApp chat from dated July, and nothing has been proven, nothing has been proven since then. But clearly, let's see what NCB does in these 3 days, what they interrogate, whether they find more connection, and how Mr. Manas Shinde and even the lawyers of the other 2, will they be satisfied with what comes out? We'll keep a close watch on this case. 3 more days for Aryan Khan and 2 others with the NCB.
All right, thanks very much, Rohit, for sharing those details with us.